Hello everybody, this is the joinery work. Also acryl, glossy lacquer, wood, metal, and very fast time, driving time. But you painting wood, and you will, this is lacquer, and this not, and lock. Whiting, ju reāli you wood lak, bet reāli this wood lacquer. Tas ir other variant water base, kas you painting, you make hand basing, or you color, painting windows. And this is wood 4 procent, and minimal percent water, and also you painting ending finale, also painting lacquer defect. This is not defect, but real. This is very fast. This is good. Stop it. Okay, fighting. And you lock. This is good. And this wood. Give. Okay, you fix it. Whiting, and then again, the real glossy paint. The real MP. Okay. Finally, also a special wask. Okay, full, but no empty lacquer. Open the windows. This is chemically every day fighting. This is coming from bicycle from grinding. Today maximal ending other customer furniture, and next projected bicycle from okay. The real use this balloon lacquer and the acryl ceramic. It's every country English. Yeah. But you want professional painting, painting gun. That's a real. This is a cap variant. Parkside. Also lacquer, and it's the professional variant. to work the other material. No, joinery work day. I finally this work. This is kitchen. This is kitchen model. I think. Other customer size a problem. Kitchen. This is gas. No, electric gas. Back. Water. The water and the other furniture. And problem customer like a little big scissor 5mm not really backing and out all and food problematic little bit. I make this circle and fixed circle back, not decorative. Identifying color and how fixed. And this is rigs and left and rigs. The door, opening door, and the construction. Also bolt and bolting this kitchen and read this kitchen cloth this decorative. Kitchen decorative circle. Okay, so the ending this work. And the next coming soon bicycle frame. Sorry, not very fast variant. Every time upload YouTube channel video. Real, full hard working. So that be a full day. Apple, decorative apple. Be a full day. In the summertime. Okay, next again. Okay, mixed. Fighting special professional lacquer with special epoxide, taka real epoxide glue, and special make another kitchen furniture. Okay, ready. Good. How clean and serve kitchen with home kitchen wood, not with laminated. It's special OSB laminated furniture, bet also wood. But another variant, special wood oak. That's a golden oak. Maybe this is the amber wood. Really amber wask. Tad reāli speciāli uz lakieru profesionāli. This is very fast variant. Okay, I think fixed. Okay, so next drive kustener. No, few real wheel. Looking guy make kustener special toko. And ending season, winter season be very hard work. And next projected bicycle from, and this is my fork. But ready cleaned room, cleaned, and the network project. This is a project, longboard project. Like that will come soon, but no, I want fast another kustener ending kitchen and garderobe furniture and other Bulder work. Така real next on. But interesting video make a bicycle wood from. And I next projected now bicycle from gear. That's a real special gear, wood gear. That's another YouTube channel gear from. But wood gearbox. I hope read is my project coming soon. Okay, this is really good. Let's go. Driving kustener. My project. This is another material. I'm waiting sunglass, sun like in. This is material but project wood bicycle frame. Coming soon, cutting, glue, fixed, special wheels, gearbox wheels. Project. Okay, thank you Leo. Next on upload the other video project coming soon, but no turbūt other video material, special designate. Okay, next drive Ford Mondeo Sport version wagon. Oh, this is a special lock here. This is a mud Latvia special relax LV. Good Alkida lock here. 3, 4, 3 horse, very strong Alkida material. You will English not, but this is special locker project bicycle frame, fighting bicycle frame. Tas ir Latvijas Maker MTB mountain bike wood frame. And this is special locker, good weather climate. And this is wood. Okay. Next drive sweetener and next on video. Thank you and good day. Okay.